Good day, viewers. Alright, today na physics we get today. So, but before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, we'll look this question. We're going to do with error today. We'll look this question. If a student performing an experiment in the laboratory decides to repeat the experiment as a way of verifying his result, he is indirectly avoiding which kind of error? A says he's avoiding zero error. B says he's avoiding systematic error. C says he's avoiding random error. D says erratic error. And E says parallel error. So now we go start from zero error. We'll check wetin be zero error. Zero error na error wey you dey avoid, error wey you make because of the beginning of the rule wey you dey use, the measuring instrument wey you dey use. The first mark start exactly at zero. Of course, if you dey use any feasible measuring instrument, most times you no dey fit get zero at the tip of the measure of the scale. You understand? Or measuring apparatus of the scale. For example, your meter rule. If we get meter rule like this, this na 1, this na 0, 1, 2, 3. You go notice say they no put the 0 here. So they get space wey dey. So the error wey person go get, if you begin the measure, you can't start from this point without taking reference to this 0. That error na wetin we dey call zero error. So you must put your, if you wan measure this place, you no go start from here. The measure say you don get 3 centimeter or 3 inches, as the case may be. You must start from the point where 0 dey. You understand? We dey get longer line now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so on and so forth. Alright. So, of course, repeating this experiment, this student no dey avoid zero error. Because if you dey avoid zero error, na anything, if you wan avoid zero error, na to look where you dey place am, make sure say you place am for 0. You don avoid zero error. So the repeating of experiment wey this guy dey do, no be to avoid zero error. So make we check systematic error. Wetin be systematic error? Systematic error na error wey dey happen because of the kind of instrument wey you dey use. If the instrument dey faulty, if the instrument no good, you go get zero error. So when the instrument no good, any error wey you get no be your fault, but the fault of the instrument wey you dey use, na systematic error. So this student, if you wan avoid systematic error, na to make sure say im dey use correct instrument, authentic and accurate instrument. You understand? Na wetin im go use. So repeating this experiment, if you dey use instrument wey no good, you no go fit. If you like repeat am 100 times, you go still make the mistake. So repeating the experiment, you no dey try avoid systematic error. So this is this. This is this. Make we check this one. Parallel error. Wetin be parallel error? Na error wey you dey avoid from the position of your eye. So if we take this to be a test tube and water dey here, person wey dey look from here go see a different thing. Person wey dey look from here parallel to this go see something. Person wey dey look from here go see different thing. So parallel error na error wey you make because say you no place your eye directly or straight at horizontal line to wetin you dey look. You understand? So if you wan measure out this thing, na wan measure say my meter rule dey here. I no go look from this angle, I no go look from this angle, but I go look direct, horizontally direct. You understand? So no be this one. So if the student dey repeat experiment, if you wan avoid this parallel error, I should just make sure say you look at the particular angle straight. They dey call am 180 degree. You understand? Make sure say you dey look straight. Alright, so at this place you go get 90 degree here, of course. So you know wetin we dey look. Alright, so no be am. What of erratic error? Erratic error na error wey person do because say im dey in a haste. Im dey do fast fast. So when you dey do fast fast, you go just pick any value. You no go you no even look am well, you don pick value, you don go. Or you don pick scaling, you don go. You understand? So no be am. So na random error. Wetin be random error? Random error na error wey person make because say e no calm down. You understand? E no calm down. Na error wey you dey make because say you no calm down dey take reading. You understand? You no calm down dey take reading. Na from you. Your mind no dey there. You just dey do, dey jump. You understand? So for random error, to avoid am, na to repeat the experiment. You dey do am over and over again. So if you don make mistake for the first one, the second one, you go get better result. The third one, so as you dey repeat am, you go dey observe the mistakes dem wey you dey do. You go dey correct am. So anybody wey dey repeat experiment, e dey try avoid wetin? Random error. So we go see for the next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Too much.